As a homeowner in Southlake, Texas, security is likely a top concern for you and your family. Whether you're trying to keep your home safe from intruders or simply want to add a layer of comfort to your daily life, it's important to consider all the ways you can improve security. One often overlooked solution is the installation of permanent Christmas lights. While they add festive charm during the holiday season, permanent Christmas lights can also play a significant role in enhancing the security of your home year-round. Here's how permanent Christmas lights can improve your home's security in Southlake. Increased visibility around your property. One of the key aspects of home security is visibility. Criminals are much less likely to target homes that are well lit and visible from the street. Homes that are dark or poorly lit create hidden areas where intruders can approach the property unnoticed. Installing permanent Christmas lights around the exterior of your home helps eliminate these dark spots, making your property more visible at night. With strategically placed permanent lights around your home, you increase the overall illumination, especially in areas like your front yard, driveway, walkways, and near windows and doors. This makes it more difficult for someone to approach your home without being seen, thus discouraging any criminal activity. Deter potential intruders. A well-lit home is a powerful deterrent to potential burglars. Intruders prefer to operate in the dark, where they can hide and go unnoticed. By installing permanent Christmas lights that are always on or activated by motion sensors, you create a constant, visible presence on your property. This discourages criminals, as they are less likely to target a house that is well lit and actively monitored. In Southlake, where many homes have large front yards or are located on quiet streets, having consistent exterior lighting is an effective way to send a clear message to any potential intruder. Your property is well secured and protected. Even if the lights are simply part of your holiday decor, they help make your home appear well maintained and actively watched over. Motion-activated lights for immediate alert. Another advantage of permanent Christmas lights is the ability to integrate them with motion sensors. Many modern lighting systems allow you to add motion sensors to specific sections of your lights, such as along your driveway, pathways, or near entrances. Motion-activated lights are an excellent way to catch the attention of anyone approaching your home. When someone steps onto your property and triggers the motion sensor, the lights will immediately turn on, alerting you and your neighbors of unusual activity. This sudden illumination can startle an intruder and make them reconsider their actions, knowing they are now visible and at risk of being spotted. Motion-activated lights not only enhance security but also help you avoid high electricity costs, as they only activate when needed. Year-round deterrent. While traditional Christmas lights are used for a few weeks during the holiday season, permanent Christmas lights are designed to last throughout the year, providing constant security benefits. With permanent lights, you don't have to worry about removing or replacing seasonal decorations, and you can enjoy the security benefits of outdoor lighting all year long. This continual lighting is particularly useful in Southlake, where homes are often set in suburban neighborhoods that can be quiet and isolated at night. Having your lights constantly illuminated during the evening hours means your home will remain visible and secure throughout the year, making it a less appealing target for burglars. Enhanced surveillance when combined with security cameras. Another benefit of permanent Christmas lights is how they can enhance the effectiveness of your existing security systems. If you have outdoor security cameras, proper lighting is essential for them to capture clear images of any activity around your property. Installing permanent lighting along pathways, around doors, or near cameras can improve their effectiveness by ensuring these areas are well lit at all times. Well-lit spaces allow security cameras to capture clearer footage, which can be crucial for identifying intruders or suspicious activity. By ensuring your cameras have adequate lighting, you maximize the potential for your security system to function as intended, especially at night when crimes are more likely to occur. Aesthetically pleasing and practical. In addition to their security benefits, permanent Christmas lights can also add beauty and curb appeal to your Southlake home. These lights come in a variety of styles, colors, and designs, allowing you to choose the perfect look that complements your home's exterior. Whether you prefer a subtle warm glow or a more vibrant display, these lights can add a festive and inviting atmosphere that enhances your property's overall appearance. This combination of practicality and aesthetics is a win-win for homeowners who want both enhanced security and a welcoming ambiance. You won't have to sacrifice your home's appearance to improve security. Permanent Christmas lights provide both form and function. Easier holiday decor setup. While the primary benefit of permanent Christmas lights is the improvement of security, they also make holiday decorating significantly easier. No more worrying about hanging and entangling holiday lights every year or dealing with the hassle of storing them away after the season ends. With permanent Christmas lights, you can enjoy a beautifully lit home for the holidays without the effort and stress. This convenience also means that your home will look festive and welcoming during the holiday season while continuing to provide security benefits, allowing you to enjoy peace of mind during family gatherings or while traveling for the holidays. Conclusion. Permanent Christmas lights are an excellent investment for improving both the security and aesthetic appeal of your Southlake home. From increasing visibility and deterring intruders to enhancing your existing security systems, these lights offer a range of benefits that go beyond just holiday decorations. They help keep your home secure year-round while also creating an inviting atmosphere for your family and guests. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's safety, add a touch of charm, or simply make your home more welcoming, permanent Christmas lights are a smart and practical solution.